Recreational marijuana is on the ballot in Florida this November.
And if more than 60% of voters approve Amendment 3, the use of marijuana will become legal for those over the age of 21.
Tonight, Rich Donnelly is on your side verifying one of the claims made by supporters of this amendment. Rich?
One of the claims made during a commercial for the lobbying group Smart and Safe Florida states that billions of dollars for law enforcement will be raised through the sale of recreational marijuana. We're on your side looking into that claim as well as how much money could be raised. We've determined this claim needs context. Our sources are the text itself of Amendment 3, Kim Rivers, the CEO and founder of the medical marijuana company Trulieve, the Florida Constitution, as well as a report from the Florida Financial Impact Estimating Conference. The amendment proposes to allow adults 21 years or older to possess, purchase, or use marijuana for non-medical personal consumption. Nowhere in the text of Amendment 3 does it expressly state that revenue raised from the sale or granting of licenses of recreational marijuana will go towards funding law enforcement. Rivers says that's by design.
Previous amendments have actually failed because in the state of Florida, there's what's called a single subject rule. And so every constitutional amendment is strictly construed and has to have one subject.
Rivers is referring to Section 3 of Article 11 of the Florida Constitution that does state that amendment initiatives embrace one subject. While the text of the amendment does not detail how tax revenue will be distributed, it does allow for regulation by the state legislature. According to a July 2023 report by the Florida Financial Impact Estimating Conference, sales tax revenue for recreational marijuana are estimated to be anywhere between $195 and $430 million per year. It would be up to the legislature to determine which entities, like law enforcement, receive funding based on that expected revenue. Florida voters will see Amendment 3 on their ballots this November, and it will need at least 60% of the vote in order for recreational marijuana to become legal. With your Verify, I'm Rich Donnelly, First Coast News, on your side.